I was always very curious. I like to take apart things to see what's inside and how I can fix this or make it better. Whenever I repair something, I have that sense of achievement and feeling proud of myself, and that motivates me to do more stuff. Thanks for coming. Oh, what do you bring to repair? Oh, wow. I started KakiRepair 5 years ago because I started to realize that people aren't fixing their own broken stuff, and then things are just thrown away and ended up in the landfills. So the good thing is it can still go in. I start to realize that people are not fixing their own stuff because of 3 particular reasons. No tools, no space, and no knowledge. Okay, ready? Okay. Thank you. So that's why I started this platform, KakiRepair. Originally, it was a physical repair session. And because of COVID, we had to be a little bit creative and digitize it, and we push it into a Facebook community group. And because of that, we grew exponentially. We can always just reach out, collaborate with other people, because there are people with experience that can help you to repair. I would say 70% of it are electronic items, and then we'll have things like furnitures and gates and clothing and bags. One thing about physical spaces, participants have to travel to the space. And it's going to be a problem for those who are living in the outskirts or maybe have problems with transportation. And I came up with the idea where I can actually build a moving makerspace with tools and go to communities. I think by now we've already done easily over 2 million ringgit worth of item fix.
Hey, come on.
The thing that motivates me is actually looking at someone else successfully repair something or learn something new. You can see it in their face, right? And their smile and their excitement. I sort of like draw that energy as well. One smile can make another person smile, and if everyone is smiling, we can motivate the entire world.